Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have mock-up of long sleeve women t-shirts. Here is 8 file in PSD for Photoshop CC user, and here is just preview a JPG files like this. You can import your text here or your logo, pictures, etc. if you want different shape or different styles. Behind you import your logos or photo woman t-shirt mockup. Okay, so I try these files. For example, drag this. Here is rating is 5-star and size is 5000 equal to 5000. Drag here, and you see here in layer area design color girls photo extract. These are girls. You can import your own photos, make better. Here is just, and second option is background. You can change background color. You see here the shadows like black, and opacity is 10 to 495 if you want. So here is, and main color is here. Apply gradient overlay, select simple background like this. Okay, so I undo. So here is many options like this. You see the armed signs here, and here is our logos, text, or photos option. Here is, so double click here and create new layer. First layer is delete. I write my name like Sheri, like this text. Control S for saving, and you see our text in shirt. Simply just import your logos or your text, and I put a lost file like this. Here is extract sign and colors. Double click on here, write your name or your photo. For example, I import a photo like this. Convert low resolution 1000. Drag here. I tell you, just for example, you can import your text or your logo. You see our design in behind, but double click again, delete this, and I write my channel name, text Sheri. Okay, Control S for saving, and you see behind, oh, you see there, here, Control S, and you see. I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.